Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our H10 Kids smartwatch. So we are on the second video review for this popular and affordable kids smartwatch. On this video, we are going to explore the loaded menus and features of the wearable. Okay, so this smartwatch do have a sporty look with a built-in camera on top. We have here a physical button on the side, flexible silicone strap, and so far we do have a beautiful color here, orange color, and it looks very attractive, especially for kids. Okay, so let's explore the offered menus and features. On top here we have adjustment for the screen. We also have here the built-in flashlight. On the bottom part we have the games. Here we have the menus and features, including here on the right side the same. Okay, so let's explore. So we have a step counter monitoring. This includes the distance and the calories. We have a sleep monitoring. We also have here a stopwatch, a calendar. We have a games. Okay, so seems like the screen is not that very smooth. Okay, but still you can select some of the features here. We do have an album. This is for the storage for your photo. We also have a timer, an alarm, the settings, app view. Okay, you can change it here. Okay, we'll pick the list. We have the settings, games, album, camera. This is the menu style option. Step counter, timer, calculator, and that's it. Okay, there's no other settings, or there's no other apps. Settings, we have the general here, time setting, time format, about H10. Okay, if you notice, seems like we don't have a support app for this wearable, although it states that it is using the Lexus Fit app. I don't know. We'll explore. Okay, settings, menu option. I don't know if what this, I think it is a gesture control. These are the games, and these are the menus. I'm looking for the QR code for the app, if there is really a QR code. Volume adjustment, display and brightness only. There's no back. You have to press the power button here. Then general, about, volume adjustment, time settings, language settings, return to the dial, factory reset, factory restore settings, and shutdown. We don't have a QR code for the app. Seems like you don't need to pair it with a support app. There's no built-in SIM card for this. It's just a smartwatch. That's it. Standalone smartwatch. No need for the support app. And it's loaded with games here. So we do have a lot of games. Okay. Again, here's the look of our H10 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.